Do you want to know how you can rate images on Midjourney? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can rate the images turned by other artwork users in Midjourney. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Midjourney. After you search Midjourney, go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official site of Midjourney. What you need to do next is log into your account. After you log into your account, on the left hand side you can see this rate images icon, which is the like icon. Tap on it and you can see that you can choose between two photos and you can rate them. So you can choose between which of these you like. So go ahead and choose the photo and you can see that this will make you choose photos, and this way you can rate the photos. So you can choose whichever photo design you like. You can see that it might take some time for some photos to load because they are high quality photos. You can choose all of this and it will take some time, as you might know, and then you can see that you can choose all of these photos. After you choose these photos, go ahead and click skip, and you can see that you can also skip these photos if you don't want to rate them. So this is it, guys. This is how you rate your images or rate other images in Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.